If your videos are stuck at less than 20 or less than 50 views, I want you to listen carefully. This might be the most important thing you will hear today as a small content creator. Those low views doesn't mean your content is bad. That means YouTube doesn't know you yet. Most new creators panic when they see 10 views, 15 views, or 20 views. They start asking themselves, am I wasting my time? Is YouTube broken? Should I quit? No, I've been there and I'm still trying. And this is where most people give up too early. Here is the truth. Nobody explains clearly. YouTube does not promote new channels immediately. It tests them. When you upload your content, YouTube shows them to a very small audience, to a small group of people, sometimes 20, at times 30, or at times even less than that. It watches three things or it observes three things. Do they click? Do they watch? And do they leave quickly? That's retention. If the data is weak, YouTube doesn't punish you. It simply stops pushing that video. And this is where most creators or most new content creators misunderstand the process. They think low view is equal to rejection. But low view actually means YouTube is still learning you, studying you. Who is this creator? Who should see his content? What problem does it solve? If you quit now, YouTube never finish learning you. Every video or every content you post gives YouTube more data. More data means more clarity. More clarity means better recommendation. That's why early videos feels invisible. They are not meant to exploit. They are meant to teach the algorithm who you are. So, instead of asking, why am I not getting views? Ask this instead. Am I clear about who my video is meant for? What problem is my video or my content solving? Why should someone watch to the end? Clarity beats luck. Clarity beats virality. Clarity builds your channel. You cannot plant a desire to grow and then dig it up daily with doubt. If you truly want this journey, you must accept that the early stage is quiet. Quiet doesn't mean failure. Quiet means foundation. If you're watching this with low view, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not behind. You are not invisible. You are early. Stay, improve on your content and upload again. If this helped you, subscribe. Not for hype, but for real growth. One video at a time. Bye.